It's a tale as old as time. Well, at least as old as Jasper's been around. What tone should I use? What voice should I be writing in? Maybe you have an idea of some works that you've seen out there in the interwebs and you're like, that is the tone. What do I put though? Well, Jasper has the answer to that with their new beta tool, the tone detector. So let's jump into Jasper and let me show you how to detect the tone that's right for you and your project. All right, so here is the tone detector. You can find this in the templates. I decided to use a clip of text that I found on a jewelry website that I really love. They write these little descriptions. They're great. So we're going to paste that in here. You get 800 characters. I just went ahead and pasted the whole thing. You see it capped out. And we're going to generate the AI. So you're going to paste 800 characters of the type of tone of voice that you are going for. And you can see here, it's calling it motivating and inspiring. So obviously motivating and inspiring is the answer to my question, what tone should I use? It's very easy to do. I can now go forward and create the project that I want based off the tone of voice that Jasper helped me find and perfect. Don't forget to subscribe because this is the spot to learn all the fun ways that you can use Jasper, even the ways you might not know are even available to you. Go ahead and check out one of these videos that are popping up right now to let me show you what I mean.